Hello, here comes the bed. Let's add a mattress and this warm green blanket. In this place over here, stay the bed accessories. My 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner, waterproof sunscreen, body lotion, and in this box stay the soap with my favorite coconut scent. Oh, and of course I need a foot brush. Now let's wipe the doors and put this green plant on this side and a box of wet wipes and another one with paper napkins on the other. Of course I need a big and fluffy pillow, but the opposite side is the one that's matching. Pink pillow, one more, rainbow pillow with a heart in the center, and this round yellow one. Now look up, because it's time to put this colorful garland on the wall. A picture of carrots in a frame, a pot with yellow flowers, and this super cute brown teddy bear. And here comes my super fluffy robe with a pom-pom on the hood. It's really nice, huh? Alright, there's wooden flooring on the left, a nightstand, and this green cover on top, yellow flowers in a pot, this pink music player, night lamp, a alarm clock, and a mobile phone. And here is the wardrobe. Let's open it and count the outfits inside. This is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And under the clothes, there is a drawer. Inside stay the shoes. These warm silver boots, comfy sneakers, pointed toe purple flats, high heels, black suede shoes, and yellow sandals. And between the shoes and the clothes, stay this small pink suitcase. Over here in this corner stays this little sofa with a cushion and pillows. Let's add this small carpet, decoration, and now take a look to the right. Here comes this green cabinet, my laptop. I study, listen to music, and watch movies on it. My green monkey, and the telephone. Now look to the floor. My green rubber boots, my yellow rubber boots, and this green plant in between. Up here stay my books: art, mathematics, history, physics, and geography. And now it's time for my pajamas. This is the top, which I'm gonna fold precisely. Alright, let's put it in place. And these are the bottoms. Let's fold them too. Carpet, door, and that's it. That's my beautiful room. And that's me, the owner of the room. Hello friends, thank you for helping me setting up my room. I wouldn't have made it without you. And now it's time to get ready for the bed. Let's unbutton my coat, take it off, and hang it on a hanger. There we go. Now it's time to put on my pajamas. Here they are. And boom, I'm ready. Let's take off my headband. And now I'm ready to jump in the bed. Oops, I forgot to take off my shoes. There we go. Finally in my bed. Oh, I forgot. Good night, guys. Good night. For getting up. Morning, Kitty. Hooray! Today will be such a great day. I'll leave you here, Bunny. Hey, good morning, everybody. Hey, sis, today we are going to the park. Come on, let's get dressed. Hey, wait for me. Let's do something special. Come on, sis, let's go. Okie doke. Oh, it's such a fun riding a bike. Watch me now.
I can stay with pajama all day. Oh, come on. I'm big girl. I'm starving. Cookies. Yummy, yummy. And cup of milk with marshmallow and candies. I love to eat and to watch TV. Huh? Huh? Oh no! I heard something. Calm down. Maybe I'm just hungry. What? Where are my cookies? And my special milk is gone. No more spiders. Woohoo! It's a ghost. I'm so scared. That was my dress. What was that? I have an idea. Oops. What? I think that this monster is hungry. Oh no, I have no more food. It's you, kitty.
Hello friends, it's time to set my bedroom. Let's start from this spot here, where stay my mathematics textbook, the physics one, and finally the geography textbook. And now let's fill this empty space with my gold bowling trophy. And here inside is the place for my notebooks. Chemistry, spelling, composition, math, and this super entertaining quiz book. And this is my cool piggy bank, where I keep all my money. Now let's add this coin of 25 cents, a coin of 10 cents, and 5. Ooh la la! I'm a rich girl! Now let's add my big and fluffy mattress, my super warm and colorful blanket, this big red pillow, this pink pillow, the same one on the other side, this beautiful white pillow with the tooth fairy, my favorite cat pillow, and of course my fluffy toy, the unicorn. Now let's go on. This is my super cool bag. I keep in it my pink tablet and my white mobile phone. This is a record of my favorite band, the Three Ravens. It's called Move On Up, and it's really, really good. This is my goldfish Bobby, a picture of my butterflies, and my beautiful globe. Now it's time for the nightstand. I keep on it my night lamp, this small green plant, my travel journal, a pen, and of course the alarm clock. Oh, and this is my beautiful little friend Smurfette. Here's the door to my room, and now let's go on. Here's my beautiful colorful carpet. Let's put in the corner this pot with purple lavenders. Next to it, my yellow dressing table, and of course these fluffy little yellows too. Hello friends, and welcome to my home. Today I have a free day, and I'm going to do all the things I love. Come on, let's sit down. And here I come. First, I need my mobile. It's in my pocket. Here it is. And now, boys and girls, I'm gonna play my favorite video game. I need my Xbox controller and of course my mobile device. And now let's attach them together. Here we go. And finally, we need to load the game. Oh wow, I'm so excited! I just need one more thing. And here it is, my super cool orange headset. 1, 2, 1, 2. It works perfectly fine. And now I can start playing. Be careful, boys and girls. I'm gonna win the game. Oh, wow. Oh, no. No, 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 no. That's it. Catch this. Oh. Oh, wow. That was a really hard game. But hey, I won. Hooray! Oh, I'm so tired. I can't feel my fingers, and I'm so sweaty. Let's use this super cool towel with a rabbit to wipe my sweaty face. Ta-da! I feel so much better now. Huh? Oh. My stomach is empty. Oh guys, I'm starving. But hey, I have nothing to eat. Huh? Oh. Oh yeah, that's right. Great idea! I can order food over the phone. Okay, and now let's dial the number. Hello, is this Giovanni's Pizza? Oh, thank God. Guys, I want one extra big pepperoni. Yeah, I'm starving. Alright, I placed my order, and soon my delicious pizza will be here. Until then, The only thing I can do is wait. Oh, guys, this must be my pizza. I'm going to open the door. Yeah, it was the pizza guy with my precious pizza. I can't wait to try it. Come on, let's sit on my bed. And now it's time for the truth. Oh wow, this pizza looks so tasty. And now it's time to try it. It's really nice to play games, but don't forget to eat meanwhile. Bye guys! Enough of reading, time to go to bed. I'm so tired. What a beautiful day! I feel so relaxed. Where is my rope? Ah, there it is. Okay, let's go for a shower. Ah, fresh and clean. My favorite sweater. And some shiny comfy trousers. Let's get dressed. Now let's sort out the room. Let's sort out this bed. And 1 and 2 and 3. I wonder who's this? Come on in, Shelley. What a wonderful surprise. So, are you having a concert tonight? Yes, I am. I was just practicing as a matter of fact, but you may stay and listen.